A new tool lets you teach an AI to do your job by simply recording your screen and voice. No code, no prompts. The AI watches, learns clicks and logic, and turns it into a repeatable skill. That might change every repetitive task you do. Newest update in Claude Desktop adds a button called Record a Skill. Click it, grant screen and mic access. The app starts a low-level screen capture, listening to mouse and keyboard events. Simultaneously, the microphone feeds audio to a speech-to-text engine. The transcript is time-stamped and aligned with the visual events. The system then runs a rule extraction module that looks for decision points, conditional clicks, form entries, and navigation patterns. Natural language processing parses your narration and links it to the corresponding actions. The output is a structured script, often in a JSON or domain-specific language, that describes the sequence of events and any branching logic. Claude stores this script in its knowledge base. When you trigger the skill, the agent replays the recorded events, injecting the extracted data into the workflow. If a condition fails, the agent logs the error and halts, allowing you to re-record or adjust the script. After editing, you can version control the script and share with teammates, ensuring consistency across projects. Automation has always been hard because you must write prompts, design flows, and debug failures. The new feature eliminates that. By simply mimicking a task, you provide a concrete example that the AI can analyze. This lowers the skill threshold from developer to anyone who knows how to do the job. In practice, a video editor can record how they tag clips, and the AI can do it for dozens of new videos. A support agent can record how they triage tickets, and the system can triage the next batch. The cost of repeating the task drops from hours of coding to minutes of recording. Consequently, small teams or solo freelancers can automate routine work without hiring a developer. The shift also creates a new marketplace. People can package their recorded skills and sell them as services. These services can be accessed via a simple web interface or integrated into existing workflows, providing ROI for clients. When you hit Record a Skill, the desktop app starts a low-level screen capture, listening to mouse and keyboard events. Simultaneously, the microphone feeds audio to a speech-to-text engine. The transcript is time-stamped and aligned with the visual events. The system then runs a rule extraction module that looks for decision points, conditional clicks, form entries, and navigation patterns. Natural language processing parses your narration and links it to the corresponding actions. The output is a structured script, often in a JSON or domain-specific language, that describes the sequence of events and any branching logic. Claude stores this script in its knowledge base. When you trigger the skill, the agent replays the recorded events, injecting the extracted data into the workflow. This shift may also drive demand for certifications in AI skill creation, and universities could offer new courses that blend workflow design with AI fundamentals. For builders, the new recording feature unlocks a low-friction path to create AI-powered workflows without writing code. You can prototype a skill in minutes, test it, and iterate. The skill files can be exported, version-controlled, and integrated into CI pipelines. This reduces the barrier for building custom agents. For startups, it means standard operating procedures can be codified instantly. A new hire can record the onboarding steps, and the AI can run them for the whole team, ensuring consistency. For freelancers, the ability to package a recorded workflow and sell it as a service opens a new revenue stream. Think of a social media audit that you record once and then run for every client. The market for reusable AI skills is likely to grow, and early adopters can monetize their expertise. This shift also encourages more modular design, as each skill becomes a reusable microservice. Customers can then trigger the skills via UI automatically, streamlining integration. The ability to turn a human demonstration into a repeatable skill has ripple effects. First, it democratizes automation. Non-technical workers can create bots that previously required a developer. Second, it changes the nature of knowledge work. Tribal knowledge becomes codified and shareable, reducing knowledge loss when employees leave. Third, it creates a new class of AI skills as products. Companies can bundle skills into marketplaces similar to Zapier or Rift. Fourth, security and privacy become paramount. Since the recorder captures everything on screen, users must be vigilant about sensitive information. Fifth, the tooling may spur new governance frameworks for AI skills, ensuring they comply with data protection laws. Finally, as more skills are added, the ecosystem will evolve from isolated agents to interconnected workflows, enabling complex operations without human intervention. This shift may also drive demand for certifications in AI skill creation, and universities could offer new courses that blend workflow design with AI fundamentals and maintain transparency among stakeholders. Looking ahead, the desktop-only limitation is likely to be addressed sooner than later. A web-based recorder would make the feature available to all Claude users, especially those who rely on browser interfaces. Another anticipated improvement is multi-step skill chaining, where the output of one skill feeds into another automatically. Users could also expect a library of pre-built skills that cover common tasks like data entry, email triage, or content moderation. From a governance perspective, we might see built-in privacy filters that mask sensitive data during recording. Additionally, AI skill marketplaces may emerge, allowing creators to monetize their workflows. For developers, an API to upload and trigger skills programmatically will open new integration possibilities. Finally, as the ecosystem matures, we should monitor how AI skills affect workforce dynamics, especially roles that involve repetitive manual labor. Early adopters should also evaluate how these capabilities fit within their compliance and audit frameworks to avoid future disruptions and maintain transparency among stakeholders. The next step is watching how this feature expands beyond desktop and how skill marketplaces shape the future of work. Keep an eye on updates and new tools that let you record, share, and scale AI workflows.